Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll speak about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoclose on Suno app. Here we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. And above you will search about Suno app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.